Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in the garage. We're doing a quick little maintenance thing here on the 911. We're going to throw some new strong arm supports in on the frunk. Surprised this hasn't fallen on me yet. They're very weak. Definitely doesn't stay up if there's any wind at all. So we're going to replace these real quick for you. I picked up a set of these for like 25 bucks on Amazon. So nothing Porsche official here, but they're going to do the trick. So stick with us. All right guys, here are our new strong arms right here. So we just got to get the old ones unclipped, which you can see there's a couple little fasteners right there. Just got to release those on the top and bottom, and then we'll be able to pop these new ones in. But I'll have links down in the description for these if you're interested in checking them out. I have an affiliate link. I get a little kickback if you guys use the link, so go ahead and check that out. But I'm going to actually get a little broom to stick in here so this doesn't fall on my head while we do this. Alright, I knew that ice scraper was good for something. It's going to hold that up while we replace these guys. So, I have a little pick tool. So you just need a little pick tool of some sort. And we're going to come over here on the side. And we are going to just pop it right in here and release that little metal clip. So I'm going to set the camera down and we'll get that first one undone there. So like that. So we got that first one out, guys. Down here, same idea. Just got to get that clip released and then it should pop off. Just like that. So there you go, guys. We got the first one off. So we're just going to grab our other one. Okay, so we got the new one. We're going to slap this part in right here first. And they'll just snap in. Way easier going on. I'm going to lift up the hood while I snap this one in, because it's a little longer, as you can see right there. Doesn't quite fit. So we'll just lift up the hood there, snap it in, just like that. So we have one new strong arm in, and we're going to go to the other side and do that one quick. All right, you might be able to see this side a little better. So we're going to do the same thing. Pop this top one off first, just like that. Get your little pick tool in there. And then we're going to do the same thing down here on the bottom one more time. And off it comes. Just like that. And just like that. Easy peasy, we got new struts installed. One of the easiest maintenance things you can do, guys, so no fears on replacing these hood struts, and you can do it as well for 20 to 25 bucks. We're just going to remove our little deal there, and you can see we are in business. Well, let's see how strong it is. Oh yeah, those babies are good. You can hear that? It's got some lift now. So let's see how well it opens here on its own. Oh yeah, that'll work, guys. Much better. So all right, guys, there's the part number that I'll have down in the description. It is for 2012 to 2017, which is a lie. 2012 up to at least 2019, so it'll do all 991s, 991.2s, and it also should fit some of the Boxsters and Caymans as well, but that is up to you to make sure this will fit those vehicles. So if you guys have any questions for me on the whole process, leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one.